name is Michael. Recently we purchased this house. When we first purchased the house, as we were doing the remodeling, removing all the baseboards to put brand new flooring, we found mold in the actual walls. The mold that we found in the walls, we hired a person to come and remove that mold. That contractor claimed to have removed all the mold, put everything back together. Everything looked like it was spot free. A couple months later, we decided to change the actual windows to impact windows. As they were replacing those, the installer found mold at the top end of the wall, which obviously wasn't to our delight. Fortunately, we were able to have a neighbor across the street that owns a mold company named Mr. Mold. We had him come in here, assess the actual damage of what we had. They were able to come in, set us up, fully contain the actual area where the mold was, remove the mold more than properly. The actual guys that work in the company are all very, very, very professional. Let us know every step of the way. The estimated time, which is very important to us, as we have a hectic schedule, was met. And honestly, we highly, highly recommend them. And to be honest with you, I want to thank them for being able to remove something so toxic out of our house, and giving our family the healthy house that I've always wanted. So I really appreciate them and I thank them.